RIE CE crash course for 2025 year, we have framed a 40 days preparation plan, which starts from tomorrow, that is 20 May 2025. The course start date is from tomorrow, 20 May 2025. And this course is going to end tentatively on 28th June 2025. Why I am saying tentatively? Because your exam date 29th June is also tentative date. It is not yet confirmed through official notification. There is a possibility to change the exam date. It may get postponed for another 1 week also. There is a possibility. So that's why we kept this course end date 28th June tentatively. If by any chance, if the exam date is getting postponed, we will also extend the course up to the exam date. So if I consider from the course start date to end date, so we are getting roughly 40 days, 40 working days. Number of teaching hours, we have planned per day 3 hours of teaching, 1 hour teaching aptitude, 1 hour reasoning, 1 hour language proficiency. So total 3 hours per day. It's coming 120 hours teaching hours. And during this 120 hours teaching hours, we also planned daily practice test, which will be available in our Tej Academy digital app. So daily practice test, we planned 30 daily practice test. So out of 40 days, 30 days you will have daily practice test. Along with that, we also planned 23 mock test, full syllabus test. So 23 plus 30 DPTs and also 5 previous year question papers we kept available for all. So overall, you are getting exposure to 4,640 quality, reliable, related question to your exam. 4,640 well-designed, tailor-made exclusively for CE crash course. We collected and we framed it, and we framed these DPTs mock test question papers. So I am sure most of you should feel easy after seeing your original RIE CE paper after going through this course. So our objective is to make you feel easy during your final exam day. For that, so we have taken all the measurements, required care to frame the syllabus plan as well as papers. Coming to the 40 days preparation strategy, we always believe more in effective preparation rather than number of hours. We believe consistent preparation rather than inconsistent excitement. That's why in a day, we have taken comfortable hours for every individual. The comfortable hours. We are not suggesting you to do 18 hours per day study or 14 hours per day study. That is practically not required. A reasonable amount of quality time if you spend on this, definitely there is a high chance to qualify for RIE CE. So for that, we divided total 4 time slots. Slot 1 and slot 2 are during morning time, that is from 8 AM to 10 AM. Similarly, slot 3 and slot 4, they are evening time. So that is from evening 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So in a day, we have taken 4 hour slots, 2 hours during the morning, 2 hours during evening. You can clearly see we gave a day-wise schedule. I hope my screen is visible to all. Are you able to see my screen? Yes. Okay. So we have taken the starting date, that is from tomorrow, 20 May 2025, Tuesday. The first week, if you carefully observe, we kept 8 to 9 teaching aptitude, which will be handled by Pawan Kumar sir. Just now you had the same class, teaching aptitude. And we have taken sufficient time to complete each and every subtopic given your syllabus. So during your class hours, along with content explanation, they also make you practice some of the best model questions on the same subtopic. they'll make you experience how to approach towards a MCQ during the RIE CE exam. Similarly, slot 2, you can see 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock on every day. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock on every day, we kept reasoning ability. Throughout the course, your reasoning ability slot is fixed. That is 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And in the third slot, almost from second week, we have fixed teaching aptitude in your third slot. You can see teaching aptitude is fixed in the third slot from second week. On the fourth slot, 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, we have fixed your language proficiency classes. So almost we are going to complete the syllabus 1 week before the exam. 1 week before the exam. The last 1 week will have again a rigorous revision on most important areas of the RIE CE exam. In all 3 subjects, we'll have one more revision for the last 1 week, and also rigorous number of mock tests. So if you carefully observe the number of test plan, so every day we have planned one DPT. You can clearly see every day one DPT is available. For example, on 20 May, you are going to attend all 3 classes. On 20 May, that is tomorrow, you are going to attend all 3 classes. We will be uploading the DPT1 on topics of 20 May. So you can see here in teaching aptitude, attitude towards education. This is the syllabus for DPT1. Similarly, verbal reasoning in case of reasoning ability, that is the syllabus for DPT1. And language proficiency, you can see prepositions, that is the syllabus for DPT1. So we will be uploading this DPT1 by today evening, maximum by tomorrow morning. So our requirement and request to all of you, you attend all 3 classes of tomorrow, you prepare it again, and you can attend the DPT1 on 21st. Even though the test date is given on 20, test will be available from 20th. You can comfortably attend the DPT1 on 21st between 10 to 6. 10 to 6 you have a free slot. You can prepare, you can practice the test, you can also revise the content. So you can do a number of things during that gap. So our expectation is you all should attend DPT1 on 21st between that 9 o'clock to 6 or maybe 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So that you will have a preparation and then you also attend the test. And the second important point, these DPTs you can attend n number of times. We kept the DPTs in such a way, every student can attend more than 5 times, 6 times, 10 times also. Maybe when you attend during the first time, you got less score, no issue. After you can go through the second round of preparation and you can again attend the same test. You may improve the score. You can also make the third attempt, fourth attempt. Till you become master in that, you can continuously attend the DPTs. I think I am clear on this. If you have any doubt, you can ask. All DPTs can be attended by course student multiple number of times. There is no limit for that. If you see the DPTs, they are continuing up to 30. That is almost last week, 23rd June. So DPTs will be continuing up to 23rd June. In between, on every Sunday, in the initial weeks, first week and second week and third week, fourth week, on every Sunday, we did not keep any class. And every Sunday, if you carefully observe, there is no class, but we have planned a mock test. So your first mock test will be on 25th May. Similarly, the second mock test on 1st June, and third mock test on 8th June, and fourth mock test on 15th June. After that, almost per day, we kept 2 mock tests. You can see almost per day. In the first week, we have one mock test, and the last week we kept 2 mock tests. So gradually, when you are moving to the third week and fourth week, your number of tests will increase. The reason, by the time maximum syllabus will be completed, you are almost ready to attend either DPT or mock test or part test. So you are comfortable in attending the test. With that intention, we get mock test at the last 2 weeks. Even mock test also you can attend n number of times. If not first attempt, second attempt is failed, third attempt. So in order to improve your score, in order to experience the question multiple number of times, we have given the option of multiple attempts. And coming to third important aspect, on daily basis, we are going to upload the digital notes on each and every subtopic which is mentioned here. And you can also download these digital notes from tomorrow. As of now, we did not give option of downloading the digital notes in the app, but from tomorrow, you can also download the digital notes uploaded in the app. You can take the printout, you can use it. That option also be enabled. And the fourth aspect regarding the class, by chance, if you miss any one slot because of your personal emergency, we are keeping the recorded videos available in the app, mostly by end of the day. You please go through the recorded version of the lecture, understand the content, and make sure that you will practice the DPT. Many of you, when you are calling me, you are asking, sir, is the 40 days sufficient to prepare for CEE exam? I strongly believe 40 days is more than sufficient. The reason is, for all the aspirants, the available time is same. Either it is for you or for other XYZ person, the available time is same. It's all depending on how effectively we utilize the available time, how effectively we prepare in this available time, how effectively we prepare on the reliable content rather than vast, irrelevant content. So providing relevant content which is required to your exam is our duty, our responsibility. We'll take all necessary steps to provide you most accurate material in terms of the digital notes, most accurate best questions in terms of the DPTs and mock test, which will reflect in your final exam. That is what our responsibility. We will assure you that. And from your end, how best you can practice the DPTs and class notes and mock test, how many number of times you can practice, that is completely on your hand. So you please take care of these two aspects. I'm sure rest of the things will be followed as per your process. And one more thing I would like to remind you, even though RIE CEE was not known to many students like NEET exam, JEE, your state CETs, but still the competition level is very high for RIE CEE. Let me take an example of Mysore, RIE CEE, RIE Mysore case. Approximately a state might be having a 12 to 15 seats. Might be Karnataka might be having 12 to 15 seats. Similarly, Andhra might be having somewhere 12 seats. Telangana might be having some 12 seats. Kerala also might be having somewhere 16 seats. Tamil Nadu might be having somewhere 20 seats. But from each state, for that 12 seats, nearly more than 1,000 to 1,500 students are applying. So that indicates for each seat, nearly 10 to 15 students are competing. Sometimes it will be more than 20, which is almost equal to NEET level competition. In NEET also you have for one medical seat 25 student competition. Similar to that, even in RIE CE, you do have competition. That competition can be overcome by a right practice and reliable material. Hope I think I am clear on this 40 days preparation strategy. And in between, if you have any kind of doubts or you need some support from us, you can directly message to us. You all have our number, WhatsApp number. You can message, you can call. So we will try to help you as much as possible. That's it from my end. So if you have any queries, doubts, now you please ask me.